In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link data between sheets in Google Sheets. Linking data lets you show a value from one tab directly in another, and it updates automatically whenever the original changes. This is perfect for building dashboards, summaries, or keeping a single source of truth without copying and pasting. First, open Google Sheets and the spreadsheet you want to work in. Make sure you can see the tab that will display the linked value and that the source tab, the one you're pulling from, exists in the same file. If you've renamed your tabs, take note of the exact sheet name, including any spaces or punctuation, because we'll use it in the formula. Click into the cell where you want the data to appear, and type the formula sheet 2 bys A1. Here's what that means. The equal sign tells Sheets you're entering a formula. The text inside single quotes is the sheet name. The exclamation point separates the sheet name from the cell reference, and A1 is a cell on that sheet that contains the value you want. If your sheet name has spaces or special characters, keep the quotes. If it doesn't, the quotes are still safe to use and help avoid errors. You can change A1 to any cell you need, like B2 or C5, as long as that cell exists on the source sheet. Now press enter. The value from sheet 2 cell A1 should appear immediately in the cell you selected. The link is live, so if the value in sheet 2 A1 changes, whether it's text, a number, or even the result of another formula, your linked cell updates automatically. That's the power of referencing across sheets. If you see an error like #ref or a blank, double check the sheet name spelling, the quotes, the exclamation point, and the cell address. Make sure the source sheet hasn't been deleted or renamed. If the source cell is empty, the linked cell will appear empty too, which is normal. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If you copy this formula to other cells, the A1 part will shift relative to where you paste it. That can be useful for pulling a series of values. If you need the reference to stay fixed when copying, use $signs to make it absolute, like A1. And if you later rename the source tab, Google Sheets usually updates the reference automatically, but it's good practice to confirm the link still points where you expect. That's all it takes to link data between sheets. Open your spreadsheet, enter sheet 2 A1 where you want the value, and press enter.